Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's have some insights of Amazon rainforest along with some facts. It is one of the most beautiful places on the earth. Located in South America, it covers 9 countries with 60% of area in Brazil. Being world's largest tropical rainforest, it is rich in diversity. They are considered to be the lungs of Earth for the fact that they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, therefore maintaining the ecological balance of Earth. It contains many beautiful and dangerous species of Earth. Many poisonous snakes, frogs are estimated to be here. Amazon River is world's largest river by volume and second longest river after River Nile. Due to thick canopy, rain takes about 10 minutes to reach the soil. Amazon forest is responsible for 20% of oxygen produced on land by photosynthesis. Amazon forest is said to inhabited by 400 to 500 indigenous tribes. It is estimated that over 50 of tribes never had any contact with outside world. There are many discovered and undiscovered water springs in the forest. Variety of animals and birds can be found in Amazon forest, making it a beautiful place on earth. Amazon rainforest is said to cover 6.7 million square kilometer area. 400 billion trees are estimated to be there in the forest, making it an amazing place on the earth. Amazon is home to these people and they used to protect it. But this beautiful place is at risk due to human interference. 20 billion tons of water every day. Can you just believe it? From here, we can have a slight idea of how much important these trees are for us. The storage of so much amount of carbon in the soil help in fighting the climate crisis so that we can limit the rise of global temperature. As we know, many problems that we are facing these days are due to increasing global temperature. Amazon rainforest is home to some of world's most beautiful and unique trees. It is said that Amazon forest is home to one-fifth of world's plant species. Amazon forest faces a numerous threats despite of its crucial role. The incidence of fire is increasing year by year, making us serious regarding this. Moist rainforests do not burn. Therefore, fire in Amazon forest is not a natural phenomenon. Fire is often started intentionally by people for their own use. But fire once started become unstoppable. Many fire workers risk their life to control this fire. Special planes which can sprinkle water are brought into use so that we can try to control this fire. So we need to take precautions to save this forest. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Give your feedback in comments and don't forget to subscribe the channel.